Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh. I hope you are doing good. So in today's video we will create a bar animation which we see mostly on walkthrough screen or onboarding screen. So I will share the link in below description box. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, Behance and Dribble. So before we just start, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so YouTube will recommend it to everyone, and share this channel whoever want to learn Figma. So without further ado, let's get started. Through screen or the onboarding screen, whatever you say. So this bar animation at the downside we will create today. So let's start. I have already created this icons. You can find this Figma file from the below description box. From there you will get the vector files also of the crypto app. So take a frame, take iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now take rectangle. Give the proper size. Now change the color. Take it black. Give it 151419. Yeah, it's good. So take first icon, paste it here, make it little bigger like 200. Yeah, it's good. Now make it little bigger, 210. Yeah, 220 is fine. Now copy this text, make it white, bring it inside, make it center line, change the font Heavyatus. Yeah, it's a good font, very bold. Center line. Yeah, bring it down the price. Don't keep the single word below, make it 2. Copy this text also, make it white, make it center align. Bring it down. Yeah, always remember that don't keep the single word down, always keep at least 2 words. Make it Poppins. Yeah, it's perfect. Now make the button. Make it 302E38. Yeah, this color is perfect. Make it bigger from the width. Make it roundish. Make it 10. Yeah, it's good. Now write the text. Next. Group it. Bring it down. Oops. Bring it above the background. Name the group name text. Next. Center it. Now yeah, it's perfect. Realign it. Now make the bar animation. Yeah, the rectangles. Make it roundish, 50. Perfect. Now change the color. Yeah, bring it down. Yeah, it's perfect. copy this, Control C, Control V, make it smaller. Yeah, because to complete the bar animation, yeah, it's perfect. Now bring it up, bring all this thing little bit up. Now give the name screen1 and give the file name also. We will give crypto app. Copy this, Control C, copy this vector icon, increase the size. Yeah, perfect. Now change the text. Oops, we have to again give the white color and change the font, aviators. Change the color to white. Let's make pop-ins. Yeah, perfect. Now bring this bar animation to middle because it's the next page. Now copy this. This is screen 3. Now copy this icon, paste it here. Increase the size. Delete this icon. Yeah, it's perfect. Now again change the text. Make it white. Change the description text. Make it pop-ins. Bring this bar animation to complete. It should come to an end. So basically this will be the first, second and third page. So realign this 3 page or screen. Bring it to down like screen 1, screen 2, screen 3. Now go to prototype and drag it to the screen second. Make it smart animate. Make this slow. It should be very smooth. Now we will check this, like is it okay? Yeah, it's perfect, but the thing is that the man icon is coming above the text. We will check later on like what we can do. Bring screen 2 to screen 3rd, drag it there. Now we can check our animation. Next. Yeah, it's perfect, but we will check how to change that man icon should not come to above the text. So let's try Control C, Control V, delete this icon. bring it above, delete this icon, make it 220, center line, bring it, make it 215, make this, it's little bit smaller, make it bigger, 220. Now realign all these three icons. Yeah, it's perfect. Make it center, perfect. Bring it down. Now we can check the animation. Yeah, now it's perfect. The man vector icon is not coming above the text. So yeah, you can try this Smart Animate tool to create any of the onboarding screen. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and share this channel whoever want to learn Figma. So take care. I'll see you in the next video.